Hey guys, Jules Kane here, back again with another piano tutorial. This time we're going to go over I Smile by Kirk. This song is in the key of D flat. Okay, so let's start off with the intro. Starts off with a... You're going to be playing a D flat chord to an E flat chord to B flat minor to B7. Going to be playing D flat to E flat over G to an F sharp major 7 okay. Today is a new day, but there is no sunshine. Nothing but clouds and it's dark and I feel like it's gonna be a cold night. Okay, and the next section. I almost gave up, but a power that I can't explain fell from heaven like a shower now. I smile, even though it hurts me, I smile. I know God is working, so I smile. Even though I've been there for a while, I smile. So, the next section, just playing a D flat 9, F sharp major 7, B flat 9, back to that A flat 13. I know today's not perfect, but I know today has purpose. And then back to the beginning. D flat to E flat over G, F sharp major 7, okay, to B7. So you kind of get that part. So then the next section is going to be smile, F sharp major 9 for me. Can you just smile for me? So it's an F sharp major 9. Smile for me. F sharp minor 7. F minor 7, I'm sorry. To B flat minor 7. F sharp again for me. Oh, oh, oh. So it's playing the same thing with the oh, oh, oh. Down to oh, oh. Give it a little bounce. Oh, oh. That's a little passing. A flat minor, D flat 7. You look so much better when you're oh, oh, oh. So quick 2-5 to get back to the F sharp. Oh. Okay, then we're back to I almost gave up, but a power that I can't explain fell from heaven like a shower. Then we're going to key change. I smile, even though it hurts me, I smile. I know God is working, so I smile. Even though I've been there for a while, I smile. So it's just a D. Then we're going to play A minor to D to G major 9 to C 9, oh, 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 then G major 9, F sharp minor, B minor, oh, 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 you look so much better. Very simple. Oh, oh. You look so much better when you, oh, oh, oh. And that's how the song ends. Hey guys, thank you so much. That was a brief run through of I Smile. I'll be back with some more tutorials very soon. Take care.